feel.
If you're sick, I'm gonna cry. Because the one thing I can't deal with in life is sick. Oh shit! We just had a microwave on fire! That took 1 minute and 11 seconds.
Let's do it, let's do it.
Yeah, but I'm really scared that it's going to blow up and we'll all be ugly for the rest of our lives.
What, radiation poisoning?
I really don't think I should press start. No.
Yeah, evidence. On fire! This fucking oven's on fire!
I'm well scared.
Oh, I'm flying up.
I'm excited.
Oh,
Stop it, man! Seriously, you can't do that shit!
My name's getting up. I'm scared. Yeah! Fire! Burn! Burn!
No, let's turn it off, please! Let's fucking turn it off! Turn it off! I'm well scared! We will burn our faces!
How scared she is. It's like it's gonna be fucking never see each other again. Look at her.
it's just a regular Monday night. We've just had McDonald's and hodded under the table and ready to eat a feast.
Yeah, and got some on his tongue. And fell over inside the taxi. You're such a knob.
Fucking stinks in here.
I kind of want to see the last 20 seconds though.
Yeah.
It's Wilkins.
You know what's the worst thing? Oh my god, I'm scared.